With a great pleasure and on behalf of the Villa Rosita Hotel team, we would like to welcome all Nagueños and visitors of Naga City to visit and enjoy a comfortable stay with us. Villa Rosita Hotel and its highly trained staff are promising you quality hotel service and a relaxing stay during your visit in Naga City. We are offering 16 rooms at the moment from ground to second floor. We have single standard and single deluxe, twin standard and twin deluxe, a VIP suite deluxe, and a family trio deluxe. Villa Rosita Hotel is also equipped with an elevator and offers to its PWD guests a very comfortable stay as well. Our restaurant, Cocina Gemina, will be serving delightful dishes and drinks as well. Our guests will be pampered by a relaxing massage offered by La Levon Salon and other services such as facial and nail spa. We also make sure that our guests are always connected, and so we have free Wi-Fi access. Villa Rosita Hotel is located along the Maharlika Highway, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City, very close to Immaculate Conception Church and a few meters from SSS Naga. You're all welcome to visit us during our grand opening on September 1st, 2017, starting at 2 p.m. We will be having a motorcade at 2 p.m. and ribbon cutting ceremonies at 4 p.m. For booking and reservations, please visit our official website at www.villarositahotel.com or visit our FB page, Villa Rosita Hotel and Restaurant. For further details and inquiries, you can call or text our smart number 0947-639-3305 or our Globe number 0916-748-8758. At Villa Rosita Hotel, where comfort is our priority, where service comes from the heart.